Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. If you're new, then hi, my name is Aditi and today I am going to do an inspired look, and this look is inspired by Coralista or Ankita. This look is so colorful and beautiful yet so simple. The best thing that I like about Ankita's colorful looks are that she rarely does them. She is more of a neutral person just like me, but yeah, whenever she does them she makes sure that it's very easy. So yeah, I have it saved in my phone since last 2 years and I really wanted to recreate this. So yeah, here it is. I have a lot of looks saved in my Instagram of celebrities and YouTubers, and I really want to recreate that. Like, I want to do a kind of series wherein I do just inspired looks and recreations. So yeah, if you would be interested in a series of that sort, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys have any look in mind, like any celebrity look in mind that you would want me to recreate, then please do send me on Instagram DM, and I would just love to create what you guys want me to do. And if you want to see how I recreated this look using all affordable products, then please keep on watching. So as you can see, I have already done my base and my brows. So to prep my face, I use the Miniso Lavender Glow Cream, and then for the primer I use the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect. For my foundation, I went on with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the number 230 Natural Buff. And then for my concealer, I used the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 20 Sand Sable. And then to set everything in place, I used the Wet n Wild Ka Banana powder from right here. And then for my brows, I used the Savannah Colors eyebrow powder in the shade black. So to do my eyeshadow, I'll bring you guys closer and then we shall continue. So I will first prep my eyelids using the Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow primer. So first, from the Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette, I am going to pick this shade from right here. I'm going to take that on a fluffy brush and I'm just going to apply it on my crease, like my transition. Then after that, I'm going to take this shade from right here and I'm going to apply it on my inner 1/3 of the eyelids. Then from the same palette, I'm going to take this shade from right here and I'm going to apply it on the rest of the area. Don't worry if it does not show that pigmented right now, because I am going to intensify it using some makeup fixer. So now I'm going to take the Blue Heaven makeup fixer and I'm going to wet my brush using this. I'm going to apply it on top of that. You see how much more pigmented it looks. And then again I'm going to wet my brush and I'm going to pick the green shade. I'm going to apply it on the outer 1/3 of my eyes. Now I'm just going to take a more precise brush and I'm going to blend the edges between the transition and the lid shade. So I have some crazy amount of fallouts on my face, so I'm just going to dust it off using a big fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to apply some kajal on my waterline, and this is the Plum Nature Studio Kajal. I'm also going to tight line using this. Then from the same palette, I'm going to pick this bright pink shade on a very precise brush, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. And also going to, slightly wing it out. Next I'm going to apply some mascara, and this is the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I'm going to apply it on both my upper and lower lashes. Next I'm just going to use my highlighter on my inner corner and on my brow bone. So I am going to use these eyelashes. These are from Amazon, and I am going to stick them on using the PAC lash glue. So the camera stopped recording a while back and मुझे बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं चला. But yeah, I have bronzed my face, I have applied my blush and also my highlighter. So for my bronzer I used the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring powder, and then for my blush I used the Flower Beauty blush in the shade Peach Primrose, and for my highlighter I used the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. This is in the shade Precious Petal. So now for my lipstick I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Plump and Shine lip gloss. This is in the shade Pink Shine, and I'm going to apply it directly on my lips, and then we will see if we need something else. But I think this shall do. So yeah, I think that lip really complements the look. I quite like it. So yeah, this is my finished look, and yeah, I'll also make sure to link all the products that I have used in the video for you guys in the description box below. I tried to recreate the look with all affordable products so that it would be easier for you guys to recreate, and like it's not that you only need those particular products that I am using or Ankita has used in her video. You can just do with whatever you have. So it does not need to be the same things. Like you saw, my eyeshadow palette wasn't that pigmented as hers, but I made it work. So yeah, that is what you can do too. So yeah, that will be it for my today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, then make sure you like this video. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link to that will be mentioned in my description box below. And yeah, now I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.